Accepting infinite input integers. Viewer comment question. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and as you can see in the title of the video, we got this question that came through on a comment on a video from a while back. The video is titled Infinite Input. So what we were doing was we were taking our input function and we were splitting it with a delimiter of a comma. Then, so basically what it was is we were taking in names and we were handling it, separating it with a comma. And actually I'm going to go ahead and put the video up in the top up there, so you can go back and click that. But we were taking input from a user and it was names. So what we were doing is we were error handling if it was capitalized or not capitalized, so we were titling it, and we were also handling white spaces on either side of it. So what the question was that came in on the YouTube channel was, what do we do if it's an integer? And I thought this was a great question, so thank you very much for asking it, first of all. So let me talk about that for a second. So if you have a question, someone else out there has a question. So basically what I want you to think about is almost every single video that I have done has either been my problem or someone else's problem that has then been produced. So people only tend to make videos of either problems that they've solved, and there's, what I've found, infinite number of problems depending on the situation that you have. So the question is here, okay, how do you do this with integers or numbers? So this is a fantastic question because, as we know, when we use the input function, it is a string. And as you can see here, I am doing this with list comprehension. So this is where it gets a little odd when you look at this. So this input produces a string. This split is now going to produce a list of string objects. Then we're going to iterate through this. So then we're going to have a list of strings, which are digits, and that we can cast to an integer. And that is exactly what we're doing here. So let's go ahead and run this. And we're going to separate this with a comma. So 3, 9, 4, 2, 1, enter. And we are also then doing list comprehension. So our output is going to be then a list. So this is how you would handle this situation if you wanted to give an input, accept input from a user, and take an infinite number of input and be able to handle them as an integer. So there we go. Real quick video today. Super great question. Please, 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 I can't say this enough. If you have a question, someone else has that question and they just don't have the courage to ask. So please ask for you, please ask for them, please ask for others. And more questions will come, more videos will be there to help others, and who knows who it will help. So please, please. And also, if you've not joined the Discord down below, please go ahead and click that link down below and join that server. We have a lot of activity over there and numerous people active to help with any of your questions. But as always, guys, I can't say enough. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.